Hello everyone, please join me. For work I will use 3.5mm crochet hook and a ball of yarn. All information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. And in this video you will see how to crochet easy to make pattern. And let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the pattern. Make a chain of 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. My foundation chain is ready. Continue. Make a chain for transition part and insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Make single crochet and single crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Here what I have. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. I'm about to complete this row. It was a row of single crochet stitches. I just need to do some stitches. This is the last one. My first row is ready. Pattern consists of 2 rows and pattern has 1 stitch. Let's crochet row 2. Then make chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the chains to bring up the yarn. I do not pull them. I turn the work like this. This is row 2, I remind you. This is the back side or reverse side. I skip the first chain stitch. Insert the hook into the loop like this or stitch. In total it should be 4 of them, so I started from the second one. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Well done. Then look at the single crochet stitches. This is the previous row. There is the first stitch. I skip this one. Insert the hook into the second stitch. Pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. Then I take stitch marker. I mark the chain stitch. I mark this chain stitch. I will use this one for the next row. This is the 5th chain stitch from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I continue working on my stitches. Let's look at my stitches or loops. So this is my loop. There is my loop. Insert the hook from the back like this. I'm working with back loops. Pull up a loop 1. There is my back loop. 2. 3. 4, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. They are my loops. Insert the hook like this from the back and work with back loop. Pull up a loop 1, insert the hook from the back and pull up a loop 2, 3, 4, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As I told you before, so I combine the classic crochet with Tunisian crochet. It is very simple and unusual at the same time. This is the back side and this is front. Let's repeat one more time, then you should continue working by yourself. And pull up a loop 1, 2, 3, 4, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. I continue working on my unique stitches. I'm working on row 2. I remind you, my pattern consists of only 2 rows and pattern has 1 stitch. Make pull up a loop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pull through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just need to do one more time. Pull up a loop 1, pull up a loop 2, 3, 4, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My row 2 is ready. I straighten up my stitches. This is the back side of the work. Let's crochet the next row. It is going to be a row of single crochet stitches. Make a chain, turn the work, make single crochet into each stitch of the previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and make the last one. I remove the stitch marker and make the last one. Here what I have. This is the back side of the work and this is front. For the next row, make chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the second chain stitch, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have got 5 loops on the hook. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop. Let's count how many loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have experience in crocheting, so you don't mark this stitch, but I mark this stitch for more comfortable work. I will work with this one later. And now let's repeat one more time. I insert the hook from the back and pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook and pull up a loop into the next stitch. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops till the end of this loops on the hook. Here what I have at this point. Pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's repeat one more time. Insert the hook from the back, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. Pattern consists of 2 rows and has 1 stitch. So keep working as many times as you need for your project. And this is another side. So you should continue working by yourself. So my swatch is ready. Here how it looks when I am done. Pattern consists of 2 rows and has 1 stitch. I combined classic crochet with Tunisian crochet in this pattern. This is one side. So this is double-sided work, and there is another one. You can use both of them. It could be perfect for a scarf, blouse, blanket, or another accessories or clothes. It is very easy to make pattern, so you don't need special skills. I just need to know how to work with single crochet stitches, chains, and Tunisian crochet. If you don't know how to work with basic stitches, please visit my YouTube channel and find tutorials for beginners. Pattern consists of 2 rows and has 1 stitch. Please don't be afraid to experiment. Instead of single crochet stitches, you can do double crochet, half double crochet, or another tall stitches. And change crochet hook and yarn. So this is Perfect pattern for blanket or accessories for home. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!